Hi all, I am here to teach you about the topic wave shaping circuits. There are two types of wave shaping circuits. One is linear wave shaping circuits and another one is non-linear wave shaping circuits. First one is wave shaping circuits. The wave shaping circuits which makes use of linear elements such as resistors, inductors and capacitors are known as linear wave shaping circuits. An important property of the linear system is that if you are giving input as a sinusoidal wave, we get the output also as sinusoidal wave, and no other periodic waveform preserves its shape and its waveform. And its examples are RC, RL and RLC waveform, and one type of circuit is in the figure, that is high pass RC circuit. Consider the figure. Consider a signal that is applied at the input side, that is Vi is the input signal that is applied at the input side. At very low frequency, the reactance of the capacitor is very high. So a very small portion of the input appears at the output. As the frequency of input signal is increased, the reactance of the capacitor reduces and this output begins to increase. At very high frequency, this capacitor acts like a short circuit and virtually all the input is available at the output. Since the circuit easily passes the high frequency components, it is known as a high pass filter. And from the circuit diagram, we can write it as VO is equal to I into R, and from the input side, VI is equal to I into R plus 1 by j omega c. Therefore, VO by V in is equal to R by R plus 1 by j omega c. Next one, 1 dividing this equation 1 by 1, we get as 1 by 1 plus 1 plus j 2 pi f r c. We are substituting the value of j omega. Therefore, we can rewrite it as 1 by 1 minus j by 2 pi f r c. Therefore, 1 by 1 minus j into f1 by f, whereas f1 is equal to 1 by 2 pi rc. Then we can write it as VO by, that is the magnitude of VO by V as 1 by square root of 1 plus f1 by f the whole square. That is this equation. Then we can consider as at f is equal to 0, this magnitude of VO by V in. That is, we are substituting the value of f is equal to 0 in this equation. That is, in this equation we get VO by V in is equal to 0. Next condition, at f is equal to f1, VO by Vi, it is equal to 1 by root 2. Next condition, at f is equal to infinity, VO by V in is equal to 1. And this f is equal to f1, this condition, the magnitude of output is 1 by root 2 times the magnitude of input. And this frequency is known as cutoff frequency. And in logarithmic scale, it corresponds to, this frequency corresponds to minus 3 dB scale. And accordingly, this frequency, F1 frequency is known as lower 3 dB frequency. Therefore, lower 3 dB frequency, F1 is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. Okay, thank you.